Accelerating Netdocuments. Netdocuments is a very popular content management application used by many companies. Previously, I showed you a Netdocuments upload, and we were able to show you a 4.2-minute time savings for every 30 meg file upload. Today, we're going to do downloads. We're going to show you an accelerated download. So let's go ahead and bring up Netdocuments. I'm hitting eu.netdocuments.com. Notice there's a slight lag in terms of the logon screen. Hyperon will be able to fix that piece. So Hyperon will be able to make the application much more snappier, including this loading, including this resolution as the application comes up. So I'm going to go ahead and bring up the 24 meg file. I'm going to bring up the stopwatch. So here's the 24 meg file I have on Netdocuments. What I'm going to go ahead and do is hit the download button. I'm going to start the stopwatch. Currently Hyperon is disabled. I'm downloading from Los Angeles, California, and I'm going to eu.netdocuments.com, presumably in the EU. So it's about 160 milliseconds of latency. While it's downloading, I'll tell you a little bit about Hyperon. Hyperon has accelerators located all around the world. Hyperon it takes about 10 minutes to set up. It's a small client that installs on either a PC or a Mac. A single install, and it's a transparent client that sits in the background and accelerates, in this case, Netdocuments, but it also can accelerate up to 10 applications simultaneously. The user doesn't know that it's running in the background. The user simply experiences a faster application, has a better user experience. Uploads and downloads are a lot faster. The application itself runs a lot faster as well. In terms of setting up Hyperon, it's really easy to do. Simply go to hyperoncloud.com, enter the URL that you want to accelerate it, and then our engineers will program the Hyperon accelerators, and within 10 minutes we'll send over a client to install. And once the client is installed, which takes about 3 minutes, all your applications will be accelerated. The download from Netdocuments is just about to complete. We're going to go ahead and log in the time. It's about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Alright, so for the next test, we're going to turn on Hyperon. The first one I'm going to do is I'm going to close the browser. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on Hyperon, simply enable it, and as we can see, the optimization status is currently configuring. What it's doing is it's connecting to all the Hyperon accelerators around the world, so it can pick the optimal path for this user to reach the Netdocuments servers. Now we can see that it's healthy and it's good to go. I'm going to go ahead and bring up a brand new browser, and we'll pay attention to the performance of the application in addition to the download. Netdocuments.com. Notice that the screen pops up a lot faster as well. There, hit enter. Notice the resolution of the application, how it resolves much faster. I'm going to go ahead and hit recent documents, and it pops up much faster. We're already seeing acceleration just with the application. So now I'm going to go ahead and start the download. I'm going to hit the download. I'm going to start the stopwatch. There it is. 38 seconds to complete. 38 seconds. So the total time savings today is roughly about a minute and 50 seconds. When the initial download took 2 minutes and 30 seconds, we saved about 1 minute and 50 seconds. The new download took about 38 seconds, a significant time savings. What I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to turn off Hyperon. We're going to do the same exact transfer and see that it's going to take much longer again. So right now it's disabled, and let's go ahead and try this download one more time. Reset, start this. So now there's no acceleration. The 38 seconds was with Hyperon. It's 38 seconds right now, and it's about 15% done. So it's looking like it's going to return to the 2 minute and 30-second download, which is a significant increase in the amount of time that a user has to wait for a download to complete. So I'm not going to let it finish because it's just going to take a little too long. And that's about it. That's Hyperon accelerating a Netdocuments download. Visit www.hyperon.cloud.com to get set up. It takes about 10 minutes from start to finish, and you'll be accelerated. Thank you very much.